going to listen to some bird songs. They have a very special meaning behind them, so I want you to listen closely.
Okay.
All right.
Turn that off.
No, you guys don't like it?
No.
Why?
Not good.
Not good?
Yeah.
All right, let me try another song for you guys. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That one. Yeah. That one.
That one's better?
Yeah.
But does this one really even mean anything?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Are you riding?
We're gonna look for the meaning in the other song.
Cause I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for you always, baby. Do you love me?
So in this song, there's a lot of meaning. So listen very closely for the secret meaning. Do you hear it? You guys, you understand, right?
Yeah.
And now you see why this is a really great song? Yay, I'm so glad. And that was today's lesson.
Singing bird, pioneer voice. I already hear the sound of a flying bird that crosses the world and is always singing. On its wings, it carries a rumbling sound, and it sings messages to the one who is bringing. Victorious bird, songbird. You put up the name of the Creator. Your message sounds like a beautiful melody. You sing at night, you sing at day. Your feathers are messages of many colors. They adjust to the weather and to the troubles. But the foolish world does not want to listen. And cover your ears to your beautiful singing. Shush, bird, I want to sleep. Do you not see it's too early to speak? But the bird keeps singing while passing. The message is not mine, he says in passing. Listen to this note, you may like it. But the foolish world snores without stopping. The time has come, the Creator will say. You'll never hear the songbird. See the birds or their salvation, and for the last time, please hear the song. Today the song ends with a message of joy. The judgment of the wicked has come to this day. And the birds of the heavens will sing intently to praise the Creator and live forever.